All right, come along for a day in the dirty M4 and stay tuned for some content in the 911. Brand new, by the way. You take a look, take a little quick look. Oh, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, 7-speed, baby. Sick. Stay tuned, stay tuned. But for now, we got this bad boy. And yes, 6-speed on this one.
Start recording.
It's a little loud in here, but we're gonna go get some stuff done today. Right now we're going to the gym. After that, I gotta come back, go to the pool, go for a swim. After that, go to the shop, do a haircut. And then after that, we gotta go to our new humble abode and drop some stuff off because we are moving. And you see the X5, baby. Stay tuned for some content with that as well. I've been really tame with this car really since I got it. I mean, when I first got it, we did a little bit of stuff. I had a little bit of fun with it, but really I haven't done most of what I would like to do with this car. Always love coming through this little dip in the road. Oh, that was a good one, didn't scrape at all. Here we are pulling up to the gym. The good thing about the gym and the shop is they're literally in the same spot. And where I'm currently at, it's like less than a 5-minute drive away. Here you have the gym, and then right around the corner, you got the shop. So really a good, convenient location for me, but that will be changing since we're gonna be moving close to 30 minutes away, which kind of sucks. Obviously, not gonna be nearly as convenient. I'm gonna be wasting a lot more gas, but the quality of life will definitely be improving. I don't know if we're gonna get rid of the M4. The X5, even though it sucks on gas, you know, we could utilize it a lot more, especially with my bike, and it just has a lot more space in it. Currently I have 58.5 thousand miles on the M4, so we'll see what we do. It was a rare spec, Le Mans blue, individual color. There's only like 20 of these made, especially in manual. But if you can see, the lip has seen better days. So we'll need a new lip, but overall, thing's super nice. So we'll see if I get rid of it or not. Gym session complete. Your boy is exhausted. Not sure how much of that got recorded. Thought I was recording, but I guess not. Done with the gym, and now it's time to fuel up and get ready for the pool and go do a pool session and carry on with the day. We're back with a different bag and a different plan of action. Running a little late. Generally I would let the car warm up a little more than that, but we gotta get going. Beautiful car. Such a dope spec. I'm honestly thinking of making the switch from GoPro to DJI. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Beautiful day for a swim. Not a cloud in the sky. No trails, if you know what I mean. No sea trails up there. What? Very rare nowadays. I gotta be at the shop at 1 o'clock. It's currently about to be 12 o'clock, but luckily we're not doing anything crazy today. And I just remembered that I forgot to write down exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So let's see if I'll be able to remember. Take a quick look in a second. See what Claude has for me today. $100 easy, 100 for the warm-up, 4x50, 4x50, bunch of 4x50s. All right, it's a drill type of day. Let's see if I have time to incorporate everything. Freaking do too much all at once. Park it right here. Right, all done with the swim. Bruh, I forgot to bring boxers and I'm wearing these shorts that have a bunch of holes in them. Shaking my head. Doing bad. So, before the shop, we're gonna have to head home. Which that's gonna work out anyway, cause I'm freaking starving, man. So we'll grab something to eat very quickly. It's already 12:45, so I don't have much time. Those Forerunners, not bad. But for the price though, that's actually an older one. I like the newer ones, they're just a bit too expensive, man. I'd rather have the X5, a used X5, than a new Forerunner for the price that it's at, for the one that I want, or would have wanted. Oof. So if anyone is new here and you're wondering what we got done to the M4, we don't have much, literally just the exhaust, which is an AWE track exhaust, and then just the cosmetic stuff, basically. Everything that I did to it, as far as the carbon fiber on the outside, the beat up lip. Other than that, the M4 is completely stock, performance-wise, that is. I wanted to see what it felt like with the tune and downpipes, at least. But we'll see if we end up doing that or not, or if we end up getting rid of it and going a different direction. I guess the universe just wants you all to hear all the downshifts possible, because I keep catching every single red light today. Oh, the Saturn! Got the banana, got the underwear, and probably get there like a minute late. Not too bad. Busy day today, man, busy day. It's good that I live so close to all these places at the moment. However, that's gonna change this week. As I mentioned earlier, we are moving about 25 minutes away. I won't be 5 minutes away from everything that I do anymore. Oh my God, bro. Every single red light today. This is just a regular day, guys. I'm not putting on for the cameras or anything like that. This is a regular Monday in the life in the M4. Well, one thing I will say, generally, if my wife isn't using the X5, I would have took that to the gym and to the pool this morning, just because it's way more convenient, you know. I don't have to be shifting gears. I'm a little higher off the ground, or a lot higher off the ground, so I don't have to worry about none of that. More spacious, obviously, but the M4 gets it done. As you can see, I have plenty of space, and I'm talented enough to shift gears and record and eat a banana all at the same time.
Front car start.
1 o'clock, pulling in. I guess I'm that Barber. But at least I'm on time. Alright, got that done.
Start recording.
Now I have to go and take a few things to the new spots. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna grab something really quick to eat. We only have 2 hours. The new place is about 25 minutes away, so I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick, and we're gonna go pick up Zayna, switch over to the X5.
Yeah, we're driving.
Alright, switching it up. Now I'm no longer driving because I gotta eat. God damn, what a busy day. We got that done, dropped some stuff off. I'm hyped, man. We're gonna be in a really cool area, and it'll make actually for some good content as well, because there's some really like twisty roads back where we're staying. Gonna be able to take the M4 out a little bit, maybe take the Porsche out a little bit. Be a good time. Uh-oh. This guy literally gets so many people, bro. He's here all the time. Roll this damn window down a little bit. I guess we'll have some longer commutes to get some content on coming up shortly, because literally what, this is like less than a 5-mile radius. It's probably like a 1-mile radius that I'm doing most days, where I go to work, to the shop, to the gym, which is right there. The pool is literally the same distance in the opposite direction. The only other place I go is to Costco, which is pretty much almost the same distance in a different direction. So like a 1 to 2 mile radius I'm doing on most days, and maybe even less on some days. So not much car content to get with what I've been doing. But you see, man, all day today y'all been witnessing these red lights. Jesus. But yeah, so once we're over there where we're gonna be at, there's gonna be a whole lot more car content to get, and just content overall. With the biking, man, there's gonna be a lot of good bike content. So I mean, if y'all are into that, we'll be having a good time.